Guys, Switzerland just confirmed 8,500 work visa slots for foreign workers in 2026, and most people have no idea this even exists. You might be thinking Switzerland is too expensive, that finding a job is difficult, or coming up with plenty of reasons to hold back. Take a moment. That mindset, that's what's keeping people stuck. Because right now, Switzerland is quietly looking for people like you to fill real jobs. This is a real pathway into one of the richest countries in the world. Stay with me, because I'm about to break this down step by step. Here's the truth, guys. Switzerland has a serious labor shortage problem. We're talking about an aging population, low birth rates, and too many jobs, not enough workers. By 2026, over 25% of their population will be above retirement age. That means companies are struggling to find workers. And guess what? They're now opening doors to foreign workers to fill that gap. This is why those 8,500 visa slots exist. And if you position yourself right, you can take advantage of it. 5 sectors in Switzerland hiring in right now. 1. Healthcare. Roles: care assistants, support workers, nurses. Salary: $4,500 to $9,000 per month. No joke, they need people here. 2. Construction. Roles: laborers, electricians, plumbers. Salary: $4,000 to $7,500 per month. You don't need a fancy degree for this. Just skills. 3. Hospitality. Roles: waiters, hotel staff, cleaners. Salary: $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Entry-level friendly. This is where many people start. 4. IT and tech. Roles: software developers, data analysts, IT support. Salary: $6,000 to $12,000 per month. If you have digital skills, this is your lane. 5. Logistics and warehousing. Roles: warehouse workers, delivery drivers, packers. Salary: $3,500 to $6,000 per month. Simple roles. High demand. Guys, this is what I mean by mind-blowing opportunity. You're not just moving abroad. You're upgrading your income massively. Now let's calm down and get practical. What do you actually need? Here are the basic requirements. 1. Valid passport. No passport equals no movement. 2. Job offer. Yes, this is key. Switzerland is employer-driven. You need a company to hire you first. 3. Basic language skills. German, French, or Italian. Even beginner level helps. 4. Work experience or skills. Listen carefully. No degree is required for many jobs. Skills matter more. Especially in construction, hospitality, logistics. 5. Clean record. No criminal issues. Simple. Guys, this is not impossible. It's actually one of the simplest setups in Europe right now. Let's break it down step by step. Follow this exactly. Step 1. Fix your CV. Make it European standard. Short. Clean. Professional. Focus on skills. Experience. Practical abilities. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Use these platforms. yours.ec.europa.eu, government-backed European job network. Good for foreigners. LinkedIn.com/jobs, many Swiss companies recruit here. Use filters like visa sponsorship. Jobs.ch, one of the biggest job sites in Switzerland. Apply daily. Consistency wins here. Step 3. Get a job offer. Once a company selects you, they will begin the work permit process. This is where your visa journey starts. Step 4. Work visa application. Your employer helps submit work contract, permit request. Then you apply at the Swiss embassy in your country. Step 5. Move and convert. Once approved, you enter Switzerland. Start working. Then convert to a residence permit. Guys, this is the real game. Not guessing. If you've watched this far, you're serious. So let's do this. Drop a comment right now, which country are you from plus which job sector you're targeting. I read everything. And I might guide you personally. Also, hit that like button so more people can see this opportunity. And subscribe. Because I break down real pathways like this every week. Guys, don't overthink this. This might be your sign. Move smart. Move early. Move abroad.